What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? This is SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, one blessed, and prosperous day. Hope you're staying corona safe, free, following the rules, staying home if you can. You know, I work at a hospital. I can't stay home, you guys, but I love my job, and I'm going to do what I have to do. It's what I signed up for. Essential personnel. Yes, you guys. I work at a hospital, emergency response. So I'm coming in contact, not with coronavirus patients directly, but, you know, they're everywhere. People come in contact with corona and don't even know it. There are carriers that have it and don't even know it, and you can give it to someone else that doesn't have it, okay? So be safe, be vigilant. Wash your hands, you guys. Be very, very mindful. Do it more than you think you need to do it. If you forgot if you did it or not, do it again, okay? I can't stress how serious it is. A good dear friend of mine, I don't know if you've heard, it's around the world, Greyhound bus driver here in Richmond, Virginia. Actually, two of them. Great friends. I've been on them over 30 years. A good friend of mine's father and mother are being affected by this. Actually, she lost her father to corona. He was in a training class in New Jersey and contracted it. I think a lot of the class, the students got it. I'm sorry, you guys. It's just hard to talk about a little bit, but we're going to get through it. He passed away on Monday, and now his wife is in isolation. So can you imagine losing your loved one? They were married for 57 years, you guys. 57 years. And can you imagine losing your loved one of 57 years? You take him to the hospital and the nurse says, okay, you can't come in because he's showing symptoms of corona. And he had isolated himself the night before. And she took him to the hospital, and that was the last time she saw him. So you guys, it's hitting close to home. Be safe, be vigilant. I love you. You're the best. Love on your family, love on your friends. We can't touch each other right now. We can't see each other. And she's in isolation for the next 14 days. So she can't even start making arrangements for her husband. He had to, pass alone. You guys, these patients are passing alone because they keep you in isolation. And they're not dying with their loved ones. They're dying alone. Okay? So I just wanted to put that out there. I'm not sorry about starting this video off like this. You know I love you guys. You're the best. But this coronavirus is real, you guys. Stay home if you can. Only go out for the essentials. I love you. You're the best. Okay, so let's just jump back into this video, you guys. All right. God is still good and in the working and miracle business. Okay. We still trust and believe in God. And despite of everything that's going on, we're going to trust and believe in God. I love you guys. You're the best. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on my garden. I'm not going to do a tutorial today. As you can see, you guys, I have stuff everywhere. I have things hanging that I haven't used yet. I have things planted. Some I know what they are, some I don't. I don't care. As they come up, I'll figure it out because I plant pretty much the same stuff every year. And yeah, this is some of the deck. Look at these strawberries, you guys. Thanks, Lisa Lax. She found these for $1.74 while out for her essentials. Yes, you guys, plants are essential. Seeds are essential. Dirt is essential. Okay? And these are from Better Homes and Garden. It's the fruit. These are strawberries. And they have little teeny strawberries on them. See that? Little yellow. Beautiful plants for $1.79. They were on clearance, you guys. And now I just bought some of my peppers and other seedlings. You remember I told you about the Jiffy seed starter mix that I only got a few plants out of. But look, I started these the next day. I told you guys, and I'm out here watering them. Now, I told you when I started these, right, on 3/25, March the 25th. Today is only April 3rd. And look, you guys, you could be I hope you're growing along with me. I hope you started when I started. Because I'm telling you, you would have this in 9 days. It's only been 9 days since I started these seeds, y'all. Look. 9 days. Peppers. All types of peppers. More tomatoes. Beautiful. Not leggy, very hairy, which turns to the roots. The hairs on your tomatoes are actually roots. If you bury them deeper, they'll root themselves and they're going to be nice, strong, and healthy. And over here, these are Chicago pickling cucumbers. I still have these inside. I put some cucumbers outside. I'll show you those in a minute. And look, more tomatoes. And I'm taking them out as I'm showing you because they filled up with water. Don't overwater your plants, you guys. When they look like this, kind of dry, that's when you want to put them in the water. That's why this one is still sitting in there. But these, see, they've soaked up the water. They were dry, and now they've soaked up the water. And you only want to water your plants, your seedlings, when the top gets dry. Okay? Only when the top gets dry, you guys. Some people think, oh, just give them some more water, they'll grow faster. Nope. Gardening is a patience thing. Look at these cherry tomatoes. They shot up so fast, y'all. It's a miracle. I planted these after these. And these cherry tomatoes are doing great. 9 days, you guys. 9 days. You can have this too. And we're going to plant our strawberries in the ground. There are okra seeds over there. They're doing great. People want to know about the flower rockets from the Dollar Tree. Hey, they might work for you. They didn't work for me. Here's one that did a little something. I haven't watered it today, but yeah, I'm gonna let her grow. But yeah, those are from the Dollar Tree. These are some beds I told you can put on your patio. We have things coming up in here, you guys. And the star of the show, named after my grandmother Lily, the avocado seed. We started together. Look, you guys, look how tall she is. Now this shelf is 1, 2, 3, 4 tiers high, and she's taller than the 4th tier. You guys remember we started this January the 21st. And look at Lily. So yeah, we have things growing up here. If you've been following along like you're supposed to, follow SkinnyBoyRandy, okay? You can have some of these things too. Some of them won't work out. See that? That didn't work out. See Terry's cup? Terry had seeds, has sprouts. She has germination. Yep, she's gonna be so shocked to see her germination. And also, the other seed, guys, look, she cracked open day before yesterday. And when your avocado seed cracks open, she has sprouted. That's her way of letting her seed, her root, come out of her bottom. And when it gets to the bottom, we'll replant it just like we did this one. Okay, you guys? Okay. So I'm just going to show you outside real quick what's going on in the garden. This is just an update for you guys. I told you, follow along. Do what you can. Here, our radish in the raised bed. I'm not feeling this raised bed. But that's just my opinion. Look on the outside of the raised bed. And look how big this radish is. It's a beautiful color as well. Then over here, you remember we took a chance and put a zucchini out here. Look how big she got. Outside. So take chances, you guys. Take chances. Don't be afraid to plant stuff early. Do it. Just do it. Either it's going to grow or it's not. What I always tell you. It may work for some do, some don't, some will, some won't. Hey! Ho! All right, y'all. I'm not going to lose it, okay? So, thank you guys for all of your love and comments. I'm so glad you're appreciating all of the videos. I love you too. Thanks for watching with your children and your families. You guys make me feel so good. And I'm going to do an educational video for the kids. Here's Terry's garden that we started. And look at her radishes. See, you guys? And she's a first-time gardener. And look at her garden already. Get out in your yard, you guys. You're stuck at home anyway. Get out in that yard and grow some food and eat it. Look at, I feel so good when I look over here and see this garden that we grew during winter. Some peppers I put out here. Look. Yep. There's SkinnyBoyRandy Jr. hanging on in there. Look at all this, you guys. This is edible food, down to the leaves on top. I can clip these and eat them. If I was in the wilderness, you eat them without rinsing them off. But we're not in the wilderness, thank God. Look. We got some radishes coming out of the ground. Look at that. You see that, you guys? And you watched me plant these. You remember our 2 rows of radishes? You watched me from day one. Look how huge the leaves are. They grow so quickly. Look at this lettuce. And we were just testing out the soil, so we didn't plant a whole lot. But look what we got. Now, can you imagine if I had filled this whole bed up? It would be full right now. I put an okra seed over here, and right there, and right there. We're gonna see how they do. And you see, you got some peppers coming up on their own. I threw seeds out here, you guys. Peppers, I threw a lot of stuff out here. That's the good thing about gardening. You don't have to be perfect. I don't do pretty garden. I do productive garden. You know that, okay? Okay. So, I know my neighbors are probably like, he's out there making a video because we hear the okay. This is the newest bed we made so far. And I don't see anything popping up just yet, but it's only been a couple of days, 3 or 4 days. Yeah, you guys. And I'm going to use this area as a cornfield. And of course, my wonderful neighbors gave me those bricks to make more beds. So I love you, you guys. Just wanted to give you an update on what's going on the Skinny Boy Farms. Remember, be safe, live, love, laugh, grow stuff and eat it, you guys. I love you. You're the best. Pray that I am safe at work every day because I'm praying for you that you're safe wherever you are. So, grow stuff and eat it. Pray for your friends and your family and the world. I love you guys. You're the best. Yep, 9 days, y'all. 9 days worth of growth. Look at the leaves on this cucumber. Wow. 9 days. Look at that coming up out of the ground. Look at that. It just twisted all up. Wow. But Mother Nature will correct itself. Okay, you guys. I love you. You're the best. Live, love, laugh. Grow stuff and eat